everybody and welcome back. Today it's an AJ's workshops video. We're going to be working on the trailer, but before we do that we've got a few more jobs to do, including this. Okay, so the first job of the day is removing this caravan. I don't know if you've seen it since we got back from Newark, but this is the position I left it. Ooh, looking at it now. Yeah, but this is the position I left it in, and we can't access the toilet cassette, so I need to move it closer to the wall, meaning less access along here. Trailer stuff, we've got new bearings for the axles, and it's going to get painted, so we're prepping that. I think it's actually even going to get painted in today's video, so hang tight and let's get cracking on. Some Newark gifts here, the raw air fresheners in my sister's car. Now look, as you see, look, it's stuck on the pillar here. If the pillar weren't there it would go, but let's see if we can actually get the toilet out, because if we no, we can't. Okay, yeah, it's gonna need moving. Boom, that's the locks all done. This one can stay on, but we're gonna have to access under there, so let's take this cover off. Web. We'll just leave this here. Going down the dungeon again. Oh, it's very tight, Jesus Christ. Oh, and I've just gone for a web. Okay, because it's so tight, what I've had to do is leave this up. I'm gonna leave this locker open. When I get the motor mover on, I'm gonna swing it that way. That should, well, I don't want it to, but it will drop down so that I can take that off, close it, and then we can properly move it. That's the plan. Now let's get the hell out of it, because Jesus Christ, it's tight. Now I hope the EMP doesn't push over anymore, because... oh boy. Forgot to turn off the alarm. Remember from our Lincoln video we said that we'll take this to the dump once we get this down. Should I bring that round now while we've got the access, or another time when we probably won't have the access, or just leave it there until we do have the access? That's probably what I will do, but we'll see how it goes. Anyway, handbrake down. And let's move this over this way. Ooh, that is not what I wanted to see. Ooh. Oh. Now that we can throw that down there, and let's oh, I can't even open it, can't even close that. It's building time. Okay, so I actually got carried away yesterday. It is the following day, and this is how far we got. This is the floor of the green caravan, and there's other bits in the shed. The trailer's been put away, Gokart's been put away. We got more wood. Yeah, figured I needed more, so I got more, and we're going to be doing this. Alright, so I've stripped the trailer to very plain, and we're painting at the minute. I'm going to take this apart and stir this up, and we'll check back up on it soon. Alright, we're doing a bit of mixing to get a darker shade. Here we go. Let's hope it comes out great. Oh, that looks pretty cool. We're almost complete. We've just got this tiny little section here. You know what? I'm going to finish that. I'm going to finish that. Thank you. Alright. Almost. Yeah, look at that. Doing well. It's the details that matter. Yeah. And that is going to go on that front part there, so that it all, from the back, stretches and goes all the way up. That's going to look good. And this is how we're looking for day one of painting. Got my bed done. And those details, it's looking good, it's looking good, it's getting there. And tomorrow we'll do a bit more, yeah. That's what we'll do tomorrow. Oh yeah, and this part as well, which will go on the front. So it'll stretch nicely up there. Oh, it's going to look good. So, we've got the underside done. Look at this. All nice and all nicely done there. And this part we need doing soon at some point as well. Please. It's been painted, it's done, and it's looking good. And if you're wondering why it looks a bit different, it's because I changed my mind about the colour. But it does look, when I flip it over, you'll see it looks very good next to the Gokart. Yeah, don't even feel like wood either. Yeah. So, brilliante.
That's about walking pace 6.
Walking pace?
I don't know why you're running.
Walking
if you're doing
pace?
longer strides.
What a Papadino. Back to the trailer stuff. Look at this flipped over. Woo! And that this part is the bed colour there, and then the outside is gonna go like that and look so good. Oh, I'm getting excited. That's gonna go black to match, obviously, you know, black bull bar, black chassis, all of the black that we've got on here. So that's gonna look good. Uh-oh. That won't be, I'm not the painter. I mean, not the painter. So what we're going to do now, we're going to install this onto the Gokart, because this is what will bring the power from the Gokart into the trailer. And then once we do that, we can do all the trailer electronics. And that's what we're doing now. So let's get on with it. Whoa, look at that. Cable, obviously bent as hell. Rear lights. Bad boy. These ones, of course, indicators. And the new trailer electrics. Proper solid as well. And that goes all the way through here, up there, round there, down there, up there, round there, in there, down there, up here, up there, round there, up there, down there, up, down there, through this part, down there, all the way down there, all the way down there, through, all the way to the EcoFlow. Now we can do the trailer, and then hook it up and see what it looks like. Oh my god, okay. It's trailer time. Let's grab our trunking. Look at this. Oh, that's long. It's a sword. Anyway, you get the point of the process. Feeding the wire through like this. Oh, wait, is that strong enough? Should we put screws through it? I think that would be strong enough, right? Yeah, so you get a point and we'll catch it when it's all done. Right, this is the underside. Look how good that looks. We've got the side markers on, and they're all lit up, and that all comes in. Look, all the trunking is in, and all the wires run through there. As you see, it drops down into that part for the axles, which will come on soon. It all comes to this middle section here, which will go into the toolbox, obviously, and this part will be in the toolbox, which goes to the front of the hitch, and obviously into the Gokart's port here, which is currently powering. And look at that, look at those are the side markers. Underglow. Yeah, so that's all we can do at the minute. And the indicator is actually there one as well, but we've come into a problem that those don't actually pair to the remote, so these are going to have to change to those ones. Okay, rear lights have arrived. These I haven't put on yet. We got obviously the side markers, as you well know. And we've got front markers as well. And these all run into this box where all the electrics are held. As you see, all the wires go into there, rear wires there. And then this is the electrics cable which goes into the Gokart. It's all been sealed up, and this box holds all the electrics. It's all been sealed. All ready. All we need is the underglow, and then all of this is done. Axle's gonna go back on, and we're gonna take it for a test drive in today's video. Well, alright. I've stuck on the rear lights, and I've actually got 2 more of those coming for the actual Gokart because I think they're so good. And side markers, front markers, they're all ready, so let's plug it in and see what it all looks like. The big reveal, and obviously you'll see it at night later on. Look at that, that's the front. Let's have a look at the sides. Yeah, and in the back. Got the trailer on, can't really see it, but let's just connect up the electrics. Oh god, it don't even reach. Great. Hold on. Alright, so what I've done, I've just got a wire extender there, and let's put it around here, connect up the electrics. Can you even see? Yes! Look at this. Oh yeah. It does look good, doesn't it? Wow, and then from the rear, we've got all those rear lights in it. Let's pair the indicators, see what left right looks like. Oh, I think I got the wrong remote. Yeah, I did. It's this one. Oh yeah, I know. Right, that's right on. So off. No, let's do left. Right, now let's look at what left right looks like. Right, so that is the rear of the trailer. That does actually look really good. Wow. Oh, that looks so good. And obviously side orange, it doesn't really look very orangey. And then front red. Well then let's get third one on the right. Yeah. I think it's bad boy, hold on. Let me just get the headlights on. This is what it looks like. That does look good. Let's take it for a spin. Yo, just look at it behind me. It's glowing up all the walls. Orange, or amber, whatever you like. Look at it in the mirror. Yeah. High beams. Now look, it's chafing a bit, so we won't be doing a long drive, but at least we're doing it. You can't even see me. What I'll do when I get down to the main bypass, I'll set you up and get a shot of me flying past. Honestly, this thing is awesome. Look at it. This thing's sweet. It makes the go-kart look barely lit up from the side, doesn't it? Wow. Tag axle. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, the update. In the next A.J.'s up adventures video, don't know what we're going to be going up to, but see you guys soon. Catch you in the next one. Peace.